Hello, good morning, everybody's fellow friends, gentlemen. So I hope you're doing well. So this morning we have a small exercise in English. We're talking about the vocabulary words. So here we're going working for today's. And as you can notice already, we have this exercise, and so we have to give the meaning full of different vocabulary English words which are front of us here. So I really want that so you keep your attention, and then let's go for inside of the topic. So we have here a word in English that we call a wolf. And here we have a word, and here is a slang out. Here we have a palm wine and a mushroom. We have a lorry, we have so a bear sheet, and finally word is the fireman. So we have to give so the different meaning for in French of the different English word which is front of here. And the first is a wolf. In English, when we say a wolf, what does mean in French? Only that you are going to say the wolf that you call a wolf in French, we are going to say is a loup. C'est bon? Donc, a wolf en français, c'est un loup. Donc, c'est le nom d'un animal qu'on a appelé le loup. Donc, ici, a wolf, in French, we say un loup. Tout simplement, un loup. Point. And then after, the second word here is a word. A word in French, on dit un mot. Donc un mot. Une expression, un mot. Donc là, on dit un mot et word, un mot. La troisième expression, c'est a slang out. Slang out, c'est une expression en anglais qui signifie en français un lance-pierre. Donc un lance-pierre, tout simplement. Un lance-pierre. A slang out, c'est un lance-pierre. Et palm wine, en français, qui signifie un vin de palme, tout simplement. Donc, un vin de palme. Un vin de palme. Alors, l'expression suivante, c'est a mushroom. Mushroom, expression anglaise qui signifie en français tout simplement un champignon. Un champignon. Un champignon. A mushroom, un champignon. Le mot suivant, c'est a lorry, qui est donc un camion. Un camion. Donc, a lorry is a big car. Big car. We can so transport or bear some many luggage. Is a lorry, un camion. A bear sheet, c'est un drap. Un drap sur les lits, sur les matelas. Un drap. Donc un drap, tout simplement. It is a bear sheet, un drap. Le mot suivant, c'est a fireman. A fireman, qui est donc une expression anglaise qui signifie en français. Donc le fireman, c'est la personne qui éteint le feu en cas d'incendie, tout simplement. Donc ici, a fireman, c'est un pompier. Un pompier. So this guy right now we are finished. So to give the expression in French and English or English and French. So let's start to work this exercise, and I hope really well to see you for the next video in English to come for later. So at here I say you goodbye and see you next time. Bye.